In this video, we're going to discover how to create a YouTube custom URL. A custom URL is useful for sharing your channel or channel branding. I mean, what looks better, this or this? This one, right? To be eligible for a custom URL, you need to meet 4 of the following criteria. You'll need 100 subscribers or more. Your channel needs to be at least 30 days old. You need to have a photo as your channel icon. And you also need to have uploaded channel art instead of the standard one that comes with YouTube. Once you meet all the 4 criteria and your channel name is available, you just need to choose wisely because once chosen, it cannot be changed. You can't change it or assign it to anybody else. Let me jump on the computer and show you the steps. Make sure you're signed in. Click on your icon or profile pic on the top right, then click Settings. From the left menu, click on Advanced Settings. Under the channel settings, it will state you're eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here. Click on the link and claim your custom URL. YouTube will suggest a channel name. If you're happy with the channel name, check the custom URL terms and conditions and then click Change URL. If you want to change the channel name from the one that is suggested above, check the option below and change it to one of your choice if it's available. Then check the terms and conditions and then click Change URL. So that's the steps. And when you share your channel URL, it doesn't matter if it's capitalized or not. So it doesn't matter if it's like this or like this. You can't change your custom URL once you've created it. You can remove it and get a new custom URL. Note, if you remove your custom URL, then it's free to be claimed by another creator. Choose wisely when creating your custom URL. The process is simple. Once you meet the 4 criteria, which is 100 subscribers minimum, your channel is at least 30 days old, you have a photo as your channel icon, and you have uploaded your channel art, and you're good to go. That's how to create your custom URL. If you found this video helpful and you want more videos like this on YouTube and video tips, consider subscribing. And if you don't want to miss a single video, hit that bell icon and you'll be notified as soon as I release new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.